What I hate most in this life is a long night. Promos and no calls and no lights, but the moonlight creeping through the blinds till I feel night spinning. I'm beginning to believe that tonight is the night. Dead by dawn, I'll shred my palms to the end of my arm. I'm spreading coming back. Put me in the down where I belong. Existence is overrated anyway. 50 years later, they won't remember your name. 6 billion people living as a millions, and I hated them all. I should have been up a million reptilian living in a swamp. Into the vault with my wrist shackled up. Codeine and water that fill up my cup. Visuals glisten when I get fucked up. Rehab for quitters and I don't give up. Cocking the 9 if you wanna act tough. This all by design, I don't have any luck. When it comes to the dollars, don't make me get bugged. Got look them showers when I go and bust. Tell me the reason you wanna be us. I'll tell you good riddance and then get the fuck. Used to fuck bitches in back of the bus. Nothing has changed, bitch, I'm still busting nuts. Always complaining about bitches and love. When I don't feel nothing, no, not even lust. Triple 6 demons and Satan we trust. Killing these motherfuckers is a must.
Like a bullet train. Moving like the speed of sound. Feet can't keep on the ground. Can't stay in one place. Keep moving like a bullet train. Like a bullet train. Moving like the speed of sound. We can't keep on the ground. Can't stay in one place. Keep moving like a bullet train. Like a bullet train. Like a bullet train. Like a bullet train. Cause I can't stop time. You keep blurring in my mind, and spaces undefined. what's left behind. You can't stay the same. Can't stop this train. I can't find the brakes on this bullet train. 'Cause I can't stop. One place.
Damn.
Like a witch. Like a witch. Like a bullet train.
Hold up, this the game that chose us. Pioneers started on my corner like the cold crush. Had smokers lining up the block like a gold rush. The saying live fast and die young is what they told us. The way that they mold us, perfect way they showed us how to get money. Fuck bitches off this nose dust. Showed me how to burn the block down before it slows up. Before the window of opportunity close up. I saw, I conquered, I'm bald. Yeah, I saw, I conquered, I'm bald. Yeah. Yo, we said get 'em, so I got 'em all. Yeah. And turn this bitch into a yeah. Good music.
Oh, Lord.
Yeah. Looking from the top floor, why would I stop for? Still hear the crowd cheers while I'm thinking encore. Flying on a Concorde, listening to Tom Ford. Frames match the song title, flyer than a condor. Little niggas rhyme poor, poverty flows in you. Powder beating holes in. I am who you're trying for? I think not. Pusher, stay hot. The coops got no roofs forever. They stay drop, nigga. I saw, I conquered, I'm bald. Yeah. I saw, I conquered, I'm bald. Yeah. Yo, we said get 'em, so I got 'em all. Yeah. And turn this bitch into a yeah. Good music.
Oh, Lord.
Yeah.
We're going to take everything, stick up everybody. We're not business, we're not cater. Them can't chat to us, them can't see us, them can't say nothing. You're gonna murder someone.
You ready? I came, I saw, I conquered, I'm bald. Yeah. I came, I saw, I conquered, I'm bald. Yeah. Yo, we said get 'em, so I got 'em all. Yeah. And turn these bitches into a
It's another day. Tomorrow is another day. No worries, no troubles. Erase your mind of its bad ways. Keep smiling, keep fighting, live for each moment and day. While we're rising, life's full of compromising, so just live for the moment and save all your worries for another time, cause tomorrow is another day. It's another day. Tomorrow is another day. Cause tomorrow is another day. Cause tomorrow is another day. Cause tomorrow is another day. Outside in an all-black rock, 10 rolled up in a mouth. Say they all wanna live, but I just wanna die. Motherfucker, if you're looking for me in the night, I got enough, don't wanna fight, I wanna take your fucking life and end it right on sight. When I strike, if you bump in a bike. Black eye for the cops, pop a 6-shot drop, then I try to the rocks with me on blood clot. Red dot by the drop when I cock, then I slide, no tune, no plot. Throw 'em off for the yacht, undock with the side of the skull hanging in the fucking river, oh. Suicide 666 59, so cynical.
Got a pound to the ground, I'm lounging. Over to the round, I'm drowning. Climb to the top of the chop.
Swerve to the motherfucking all white crowd, back blue like now, yes, y'all red down. Let's stole it from my company cause he broke another brown cat. Got the town lit up by the flame that I made from my grave. 7-day big grave for the plague on the 7-day grave, bodies laying again.
Still got that badge, still got that gun, still got the patch, still got the stun, still got that cash, bitch, I burn it for fun, put the Glock in my skull, then I
Yeah, Southside suicide, kill yourself, ho. Say you getting money, but your numbers don't show, you a liar. Baseball bat, fully wrapped in barbed wire. For anyone that's tryna get buyers, I've been thinking a lot. I see these rappers tryna get in my spot. Rob told me, you gotta get it how you live. Told that bitch you better get up on my bitch. Big ol' breath ass hoe with a face like this. You want the issue with no more blow that most don't see the tissue. I got his eyes so I can really do an interview. Don't come close to me, I'm not the one to really do it how it's supposed to be. Independent till that label to get over me. I'm over here with my peers getting rich. Point blank before I bring her to the crib, make sure that bitch don't stink. Ain't no rules to the game. Talk how you want, walk how you want. My job is the shit, I used to clean up shit for the rim of the toilet. Now I'm getting money, I don't gotta pack a pistol. Okay, maybe. Cause jealousy make a man go crazy. Money make a motherfucker.
That's a come up starter kid. Yeah, you gotta get it who you want it with. And I might try cause I don't strike out. I switched up, now I'm pitching hits. I switched up, now I flip the script. Now my agent send me scripts.
And everybody say I need a deal soon. But I ain't really gonna make a deal soon. Cause the TV show about to pop off, so I ain't really gotta make a deal soon. Nah, I went looking for trouble. Found nothing I didn't like. I went looking for trouble. So that's what I'm about to get tonight. Goddamn. Who you know got it like this? Who you know party like this? Taking shots at the bar like swish. Damn. Who you know got it like this? Who you know party like this? Taking shots at the bar like swish. Signing deals without a label involved. The size of the checks, you would think that I was still playing some ball. That's a lot of money, maybe that's a stretch. Shit, maybe that's a stretch, cause you know I'm about to run it. And if I ever said it, then you know I probably done it. And I'm still your favorite picture, cause I'm keeping it.